Do you spend hours manually slicing out empty pauses in your recordings? Or do you get frustrated trying to make your commentary flow smoothly? Editing out silence is the most boring part of video creation. Filmora 15 solves this instantly with a feature called AI Silence Detection. First, import your raw footage into the Project Media folder. Do not drag it to the timeline yet. Right-click on your video clip inside the library window. Select the option labeled Silence Detection from the menu. A new window will appear specifically for this tool. You will see three main sliders to control the AI sensitivity. First, adjust the volume threshold. This tells Filmora how quiet a sound must be to count as silence. Usually, 25% is a good starting point. Next, adjust the minimum duration. This defines the shortest pause the AI should remove. Set this to about 0.5 seconds for natural speech. Finally, adjust the softening buffer. This adds a tiny bit of room before and after the cut, so words do not get clipped off. Click the button that says Analyze.
Ready. Set.
If it looks good, click Finish and Replace. The clip is now added to your main timeline. All the awkward silences are gone, creating a fast-paced, engaging video. It turns an hour of raw footage into a polished edit in seconds. If this tool just saved your sanity, please hit that like button. And do not forget to subscribe for more time saving. Filmora 15 tutorials.